For high-strength mechanical and engineering parts, precise heat treatment of every long rod matters. Yuantuo's long rod quenching and tempering line uses advanced induction heating technology for efficient, uniform heat treatment of bars, screws, and sucker rods. Temperature uniformity within plus or minus 10 degrees Celsius ensures consistent hardness, strength, and ductility across the entire rod. A PLC automation system monitors the full heating quenching tempering cycle in real time, automatically adjusting process parameters. Modular inductors and stainless steel roller conveyors ensure easy maintenance and stable operation. Suitable for machinery, automotive parts, construction equipment, and oil field applications. Yuantuo Induction, powering the world's manufacturing with precision and reliability.